It's that time of year again, and I'm excited. Shine Bright Port Credit is happening on Friday, December 20th from 6:30 to 9 p.m. Come out and expect to be inspired as local businesses, community partners, and residents come together to support local families in need. This year we'll be supporting the Toys for Tots program as well as a Peel Housing project to support young women fleeing human trafficking. So please bring out a toy and or a gift card for a local houseware store. Not to worry if you can't make it, please visit www.westedge.org to become a part of this movement of generosity. Shine Bright Port Credit is the heartfelt event of the season. You don't want to miss it. See you there.